Well, hello everybody. I wanted to share a little trick with you on a DIY covering your paint. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Okay. So most of us, when we're painting, we obviously take our can and, we pour our paint into our little, into our tray like this. And what happens, as often as you're pouring paint in it, it gets clumpy, gets hard, and then when you want to take your cap back and put it back, you can't get it all the way in. I mean, hammer it, nothing, because there's so much gook. There's so much dry paint, okay? And I know that they sell those pouring things that you put, those yellow things you go around. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know how many I bought. I am not satisfied with any of them because in time what happens is they also get worn out. The little things that you clip get worn out, and then as you're pouring the paint, that whole thing just comes off. So I got tired of it. Okay, so what an easy thing that I figured out here how to do. So I've been using like saran wrap, plastic on things just to keep them nice and moist and stuff like that. So I now started using Reynolds Wrap. Yes, this is not a paid ad, but Reynolds Wrap. You can get this at the Dollar General, Dollar Store. You don't have to spend top dollars on it, okay? So what you do in order to keep your lovely can nice and clean like this so that your cap can close nicely, shut, whatever, okay? So what you do is you take a little bit of aluminum foil, like this, and then this could be used, so this is pretty long, right? So just cut that in half because you can use that for next time. So it's like basically a little square here. You fold it like this, okay? Just like that. And then you take your can and you start off at the end right here inside and then start working it basically, so it's nice and tight inside your paint can. I'll show you in a minute here. You see that? Like that. So basically you're just, putting it like that. This flap right here, you're just going to put this down, like this. Okay? So now we have our tray here that I already used, but just wanted to show you. Take your paint and you pour. Okay. I thought I had a little brush here. Sorry, I don't. So pretend like this is your brush. Whatever. All right. So now that's that. Okay. So say now you're done with this paint. Okay. All you got to do is lift your aluminum foil up. And look at that. You just toss this away. So every time that you want to, paint, you go ahead and use aluminum foil. I think this is a cheaper way of doing it, easier way of doing it, but just wanted to share a little tricks. I know there's some painters out there, and we all complain about this. I don't care if it's a quart, if it's a gallon. I mean, it could be a mess, especially when you're like me. If you're painting constantly and using the paint, and then it can just get aggravating. And I'm tired of putting the lid on and then putting into another plastic tube to keep it fresh so, the paint doesn't go bad. So I hope this is a helpful a tip for you. If you have any questions on it, you can always comment, and I'll be more than happy to help. Hope you all have a good day. Bye.